Hey everyone, you're watching Ruth Getting Things Done, and you're gonna see how I achieve this look. This is my go-to everyday look using only drugstore products. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell because them two goes hand in hand. And don't forget to hit the like button. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to clean my face with the Clean and Clear Deep Cleaning Astringent. Now I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows. I'm brushing my eyebrows upward with the spoolie. For the eyebrows, I'm going to use the e.l.f. eyebrow palette. I bought this from CVS drugstore. I'm going to add concealer, Wet n Wild. Now I'm going to moisturize my face with the imitation version of Olay, but this is the Equate version from Walmart. Now I'm going to add the primer. And I'm going to add the liquid primer. Now the primer is dry. Now I'm going to use the foundation now. This is from Maybelline Dream Radiant Liquid Foundation. And I also bought this from the drugstore. I'm gonna use this concealer by LA Girls Pro Concealer. I also bought this at the CVS pharmacy, but you can also get this at your local beauty supply store. I like to let this sit for a few minutes, and then while it's sitting, I'm going to go ahead and prepare my loose foundation. This is also by Maybelline Fit Me. Now I'm going to go ahead and blend this in right now. Now I'm going to immediately apply the loose foundation. Now I'm going to contour the face with the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. Okay, and now for the eyes, I'm going to be using this little purple over here. To match the t-shirt I'm wearing today. And of course, I might use some browns as well for the top. I'm also going to use a primer for my eyeshadow. And now I'm gonna use the eye pencil. This is from, it says MAC on it, but I bought it from Wish. 12 for $1, so you know it's not MAC. I'm going to use L'Oreal Paris Infallible Press Foundation. And I'm going to go ahead and add the mascara. And now the lips. Put a little chapstick. This is from Wet n Wild lip liner. This is also from Wet n Wild. And last, I'm going to use the Rimmel Stay Matte Primer. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.